Geography of Manipur. India is a land of diversities in the planet Earth. Geography of India is an essential subject to be studied by every citizen of the country. As a nation, India occupies a significant position in the world. It is a country known for its unique culture, history, heritage, natural resources, and human capital. India is a union of states. For administrative reasons, the country is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. Each part of India is unique in its geography, culture, language, and socio-economic conditions. In this lesson, we will study about Manipur. The main objective of learning this lesson is to know about the physiographic setting, the climate, land cover and religions, the administrative divisions, population and education, geology, economic resources and other contributors, culture and tourism of the state are the following aspects of state which have been highlighted. Introduction. The jewel of India, Manipur is a unique state with distinctive people in the northeastern region of India. It is perched on the sub-Himalayan mountain ranges on the eastern flanks of India. It had the earliest monarchy in the northeast, tracing its history to 33 AD. The Manipuri civilization has contributed to the growth of pan-Indian culture through its classical dance form, besides contributing world games like modern polo. Imphal is Manipur state's capital. The state language is Manipuri. Kangla Shah is the state emblem. Nongin and Sangai are state bird and animal respectively. Siroi lily, Uning Tau is state flower and tree. The state game is Manipuri polo. Physiographic setting. Manipur is one of the 8 states in northeastern India. It lies at the lower tip of the sub-Himalayan range that gradually tapers down south into the Bay of Bengal. It is a hilly state that is uniquely located between the Barak Valley plains to the west and the plains of Myanmar to the east. Manipur geographically lies between 23 degree 83 minutes and 25 degree 68 minutes north latitude and 93 degree 3 minutes and 94 degree 78 minutes east longitudes. The state spread over an area of 22,327 square kilometers. It comprises of 1,820 square kilometer flat plateau of alluvial valley surrounded by 9 hill ranges in circles, creating a hill and trough geography, and 20,597 square kilometers of hill territory. The valley is oval shaped and is situated 2,600 feet above sea level. It falls under the Southeast Asian region. Manipur is bounded by Nagaland in the north, Mizoram in the south, Upper Myanmar in the east, and the Kachar district of Assam in the west. Soil. The soil of Manipur can be divided into 2 broad types: the red ferruginous soil in the hill area and the alluvium soil in the valley. The valley soil contains loam, small rock fragments, sand and sandy clay. It is varied from the soil of plains, particularly at floodplains and deltas. The soil is quite thick. The topsoil on the steep slopes is very thin. Soil on the steep hill slopes is subject to high erosion, resulting in gullies and barren rock slopes. The normal pH value ranges from 5.4 to 6.8. Drainage. There are 3 river systems in Manipur, namely the Barak system, the Manipur system, the Chindwin system. The Barak river and its tributaries Irang, Makru, Tuivai and Jiri flow through the northern and western hills of the state. The Central Valley include the Manipur River and its tributaries, namely Imphal, Irli, Taubal, Nambul, Nambol, Kuga, Sekmai and Chakpi Karong, along with Loktak and its associated lakes. The streams in Chindwin system are Akonglok and its tributaries Chamu and Chingai, and U and its tributaries Maklong, Yuangai, Taretlok, Lokchau, Lilimlok and Yuyang. Other important lakes are Vaitao, Pumlane, Ningtikong, Lainambi Path, Sana Path, Aiko Path, Karung Path, Pumlane, Gakra Path and Laushi Path. Climate. Manipur enjoys a generally amiable climate, though the winters can be a little chilly. The maximum temperature in the summer months is 32 degrees Celsius. In winter, the temperature often falls below zero, bringing frost. The monsoon season in Manipur is May until mid-October. However, the rain distribution varies between the hill and the plain. Districts and tribes. The capital city of Manipur is Imphal. Manipur has 9 administrative districts. The valley districts are Imphal East, which has an area of 709 square kilometers. Imphal West with an area of 519 square kilometers. Bishnupur with an area of 496 square kilometers. Taubal with an area of 514 square kilometers. The hill districts are Churachandpur, which has an area of 4,570 square kilometers. Chandel with an area of 3,313 square kilometers. Sanapati with an area of 3,271 kilometers. Tamenglong with an area of 4,391 square kilometers. Ukhrul with an area of 4,544 square kilometers. Valley districts at the heart of the states are mainly inhabited by Meiteis and Meitei Pangals. The hills are home to as many as 33 recognized tribes. The 33 officially recognized ethos in the hills are Aimol, Anal, Angami, Chiru, Chote, Gangte, Mar, Lushai, Kabui, Kachanaga, Karam, Koirao, Koireng, Kom, Lamkhang, Mao, Maram, Maring, Monsang, Moyon, Paite, Paumai, Purum, Ralte, Sahate, Sima, Simte, Tangkhul, Tadao, Tarao, Vaipei, Zou and any Kuki tribes. Manipur has 3 representatives in the Indian Union, 2 in the Lok Sabha, Inner Manipur and Outer Manipur, and 1 in the Rajya Sabha. Literacy and education. According to Census of India 2011, the total population of Manipur as per 2011 census is 25,70,390, of which male and female are 12,90,171 and 12,80,219 respectively. The literacy rate in Manipur has seen upward trend and is 79.21% as per 2011 population census. The male literacy stands at 86.06%, while female literacy is at 71.73%. The total geographical area of Manipur is 22,327 square kilometers. Density of population in Manipur is 115 persons per square kilometer, which is lower than national average of 382 persons per square kilometer. The sex ratio in Manipur is 992, that is for each 1000 males as per 2011 census. Language. The official languages of Manipur are Maithalon and English. Maithalon is the main language of communication among all different tribes and people inhabiting Manipur, even though each of the ethnos groups has their own language. In record, there are 29 different dialects spoken in Manipur. 6 main hill dialects recognized by Government of Manipur for medium of instruction and examination up to class 12 are Tadao Kuki, dialect of Kuki people, the second language in the state after Maithilion during colonial period. Tangkul, dialect of Tangkul people. Mar, dialect of Mar people. Paite, dialect of Paite people. Mau, dialect of Mau people. Rongmei, dialect of Rongmai people. Religion. The people of Manipur follow several faiths and religions. Earlier, they practiced particular kind of ancestor worship and animism. Later, in the 15th century, Vaishnavism was adopted. By end of 19th and 20th century, there was a widespread of Hinduism in Manipur. By now, almost 47% of the population is Hindu. Christianity is also one of the major religions in Manipur. It constitutes 34% of the population. Islam constitutes 8.32% of the population. Art and culture. Culture and traditions of the people of Manipur are variegated, colorful and exotic. Different communities in the hills have their own wonderful traditions, crafts and ethos. Music, dance and other lively forms of arts play an important part in the social life of the communication. Manipuri dance, more particularly the Ras Leela, is the classical dance of India. There are other equally enchanting folk dances and music like Kamba Thoibi dance, Pung Cholam, Maibi dance and drama including Shumang Leela. Martial arts. Tang Ta is most popular Meitei martial arts in Manipur. The literal translation of Tang Ta is the Manipuri language is swords and spears. Tang Ta at present is seen in most part of the world through demonstration in cultural programs. Tang Ta includes fighting with the weapons including sword, spear and axe. Sarit Sarak is an art of bare-handed combat. On many occasions, it is combined with Tang Ta. It was taught for self-defense a few generations back, but today it is relatively unknown outside Manipur. Games. Games can be classified as outdoor and indoor games. Outdoor. Mukna, a folk wrestling form. Mukna Kangje, a game which combines the arts of Mukna and Kangje to play the ball made of seasoned bamboo roots. Sagol Kangje. Polo game's origins are traced back to Sagol Kangje, a state game of Manipur. Literally, Sagol means horse and Kangje means a mallet or a long-handled wooden-headed hammer for striking a ball. Yubi Lakpi, traditional football game played in Manipur. It literally means coconut snatching. Hiang Tanaba. In the traditional function, 2 boats, Tanahi, are detailed for leaders known as Tengmai Lapa. In each boat, 40 heroes operate the boat. The boat which reaches the finishing line is the winner. Arambai Hunba is the game throwing darts from a galloping horse, where the dart means Arambai and the thrower is called as Hunba. Indoor indigenous games. Kang. It is played under a shed of building on an earth ground smoothly levelled to suit the course of the Kang, the target on the court. It is well marked for the respective positions of the players of both to hit the target on the court. Manipuri cuisine. Manipuri's love for rice is well known. Essentially, large varieties of leafy vegetables, fishes and meat are trademark of Manipuri cuisine. Some take rice with meat and some others prefer a fish delicacy along with the main dish. The kabok, a traditional speciality, is mostly fried rice with many vegetables added in. The iromba, an assorted combination of fish, vegetables and bamboo shoots, is served fermented. The umrok is a very popular chili that is used in the cuisine. It is called in different names in the other northeastern states of India like king chili, naga jholokia, ghost chili, etc. Economy. More than 60% of the population depends on agriculture for sustaining their livelihood, whereas contribution of agriculture and allied sector to the gross state domestic product was 24.70% during 2011 and 12. The contribution of secondary and tertiary sectors was 29.73% and 45.57% respectively. In 2011, the per capita income of Manipur state is calculated at 2004 and 5 base year price is rupees 36,085 for the year 2011 at current prices. Agriculture and allied sectors. Agriculture sector contributes a major share to the total state domestic product and provides employment to about 52.19% of the total workers in Manipur. Traditionally, people in the hills practice jumming or shifting cultivation. Arable land is by and large marginal, and hence agriculture has persistently been on subsistence level. Rice is the staple food of Manipur and is grown in both the hill and plain areas. Cultivation is almost entirely monocrop, with paddy accounting about 98% of food grains production and about 72% of the total cropped area is grown with paddy. Fruits cultivated include pineapple, arum and orange. In some area of the valley, apricot, lemons and mangoes are also grown. Every kind of vegetables like cabbage, carrot, radish, beetroot, turnip, lady's finger, pumpkin and pulses are grown. Vegetables also include chili, potato, peas, brinjal and tomato. Livestock. Livestock plays a pivotal role in the state's rural economy. The main categories of livestock reared in Manipur are cattle, buffalo, sheep, goat, dog, pig, etc. Cattle and buffaloes provide motive power in wet cultivation. Rearing of pigs and poultry are found to be very important sources of income generating activities. Forestry and wildlife. Manipur has large varieties of flora and fauna. Around 67% of the area is covered by forest land. The diverse variety includes crops, exotic blooms, medicinal plants, gymnosperms, pteridophytic plants, fungi, rare and threatened and other ethnobotanically important ones. The Siroy lily, grown on the Siroy hills, is a rare species of lily which is not found in any other place on the world. The Sangai, which is a dancing deer, is the most unique part of the fauna in Manipur. It is found only in Kebul Lanjao National Park, which is a floating national park. This species of deer is facing the threat of extinction from the world. The salamander, which is also known as lengua, is another unique fauna of Manipur. It is found in the foothills of the Siroy hill in Ukhrul. Manipur falls under one of the 18 biodiversity hotspots of the world. In Manipur, at present, there are 2 national parks and 5 wildlife sanctuaries covering an area of 788.10 square kilometers. Kebul Lamjau National Park at Bishnupur, Yangao Pokpi Lokchau Wildlife Sanctuary at Chandel, Bunning Wildlife Sanctuary at Tamenglong, Zeliad Wildlife Sanctuary at Tamenglong, Kailam Wildlife Sanctuary at Churachandpur, Jiri Makru Wildlife Sanctuary at Tamenglong, Shiroi Hill National Park at Ukhrul. Fisheries. Fish is the main food item of the majority of the people in the state, particularly the Meiteis, who are mainly concentrated in the valley. The state has no marine fisheries. It has vast potential of fisheries resources comprising ponds, tanks, natural lakes, etc. The largest source of fish is the Loktak Lake. About 15,000 hectares of water areas have been brought under fish culture operation. Minerals. The Geological Survey of India has undertaken systematic survey in the 3 districts of Manipur, namely Ukhrul, Churachandpur and Chandel, and discovered considerable quantities of valuable mineral deposits like limestone, copper, lignite, nickel, chromite, asbestos, salt, etc. So far, 58% of the total area of Manipur has been covered by systematic geological mapping and 42% still remains to be covered. Road transport. Manipur, being a landlocked state with almost 90% of the area under difficult hilly terrain, the road transport is the only means of mass transport system in the state. The main artery of communication are the national highways through which Manipur is connected to the other parts of the country. National Highway number 2. It runs from Dimapur side in Nagaland passing through Manipur. National Highway number 37 connects Imphal with Silchar in the Kachere district of Assam. National Highway number 150 runs from Imphal to Mizoram crossing Churachandpur district of Manipur. Connectivity. There is no direct railway link to Imphal. The nearest railway link is at Dimapur in Nagaland, which is 215 kilometers away from Imphal. Another major railway connection is at Jiribam, which is 225 kilometers away from Imphal. The Imphal Tulihal Airport is the second largest airport in the northeastern region. It connects the state capital with Kolkata, New Delhi, Mumbai, Guwahati, Aizawl and Silchar. Industries. Handloom and handicraft industry takes the second place in the Manipur economy, especially providing maximum employment opportunity after agriculture. The cane and bamboo crafts of Manipur are not only famous in India but also worldwide. The bamboo production of Manipur is about 10 lakh ton per annum. A number of artisans are engaged in cane and bamboo craft. Sericulture, on the other hand, also plays very important role in the economy of Manipur. Archaeology. The State Archaeology Office has been conducting numerous systematic explorations and scientific excavation at different parts of the state. Till date, 37 historical monuments have been declared as protected monuments and 861 antiquities and art objects have been registered. Tourism. Manipur, with its rich culture and with the natural beauty, can be considered a tourist's haven. Few of the rare things found in Manipur, like the Siroi lily, Sangai and the floating islands at the Loktak Lake, are the main tourist attraction. Some of the other main tourist attractions are Kwairmang Bazaar, the market run by women, Sri Govindaji Temple, the famous Hindu temple, Kaina, it's a hillock about 921 meters above sea level and a sacred place of the Hindus, Manipur Zoological Garden, Loktak Lake, the largest freshwater lake in northeast India, Sendra Island, Langtabal historical sites, Moirang, main centers of the early Meitei folk culture with the ancient temple of the pre-Hindu deity Lord Tangjing, Sigda Dam, Kongjom War Memorial, it is on the Indo-Burmese road where the first wars fought between the Manipur and the British in 1891, Kebul Lamjau National Park, the home for the endangered and rare species, the Sangai Brow-antlered deer, Manipur State Museum, INA Indian National Army Memorial at Moirang where INA hoisted tricolour flag for the first time on Indian soil. These are some of the famous tourist spots in Manipur, but the whole of Manipur is a tourist spot itself, especially the hill districts of Manipur. The Loktak Lake. The Loktak Lake, which is a freshwater lake, is an important feature of the central plain. The total area occupied by the lake is about 600 square kilometers. It is also the only lake in this world that carries floating islands or pumdi, which are decaying masses of vegetation, soil and organic matter. The largest of these pumdi has the Kebul Langjau National Park, the last natural refuge of the endangered Sangai deer. The Loktak Lake plays an important role in the economy of Manipur. It serves as a source of water for hydropower generation, irrigation and drinking water supply. So far, we have seen some salient features of geography of the state. There are a lot more things to be studied about the state. We will see them in future modules. Thank you.